So inside PG book, if you go in here, so you remember about permissions too, right? I'm in my home directory right now, yeah?
Yes.
So if I open up Nano and I create a file called, what was the name of the file?
Greetings.py.
Greeting.py. Greeting.py. So greeting.py. Now I'm in Nano. And so I can basically just type, and then down here, I press Control O, just like save it, yeah? Or Control X to exit, and it says, hey, do you want to save it, right? When I'm finished. So I'm going to take this detail from my custom code file. Well, actually, that's a separate thing. Ooh, there we go. All right. Def main string hello, right? So I'm going to define and oh, see, now I'm inside here. That's why I'm having fun. Main with a colon, then string hello, and I'm going to use, instead of all these spaces, I'm going to use like 4 spaces, okay? Just to keep it simple. One, two, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. String hello.
I think you could just tab it too, so you could just like get there instantly.
Well, you can. Let's just do that then. So I've defined my main function and it calls string hello. Now I have to define the string hello function and it's print, okay? So that's what I'm doing. So greetings, Timothy. I come in peace and offer an end to starvation, right? So the last thing I need to do is call the main function, right? That's it. So after I've defined the functions, in order for the program to run, I have to call main, then main calls string hello, then string hello prints the greeting. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So all I got to do now is main. Now I can add the dunder thing at the end. So we mentioned in an earlier class that it's considered best form to close with the dunder method. I'm not gonna go into that right now. What I am gonna do is press Control X, and it says save modified buffer. Answering no will destroy changes. I'm gonna say yes. Okay, so it's gonna write this information to the greeting.py. So now, if I look, I have greeting.py. Okay. And then the last piece of this is to run it using the Python command, Python greeting.py. Now you might run into some snags when you try to run this, or it might just load it all. I mean, again, permissions and stuff like that. Okay, so let's see what happens. I'm gonna do Python. And should I do Python 2 or Python 3? Let's just do Python. Well, I'm the creator owner. Since I created the file and I'm working in Python, it's just gonna run it. So this is what this is part of what you submit, right? When you're in Nano and it's showing the greeting, I think, is that another part of the submission? Hit the up arrow and press enter to run again, hit the up arrow and press enter to run again. So you're gonna do it 3 times, capture a screen of this output and submit for credit. So I'm gonna do it again and again. So that's the screenshot I'm gonna submit for full credit.